Clean eating isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle. It's about choosing whole, unprocessed foods that nourish your body. My clean eating journey started with small changes, swapping sugary snacks for fruits and processed meals for homemade ones. It's not about perfection, but progress. I've learned to listen to my body, fuel it with goodness, and enjoy the journey to a healthier me. Clean eating isn't a quick fix. It's a sustainable way to feel great inside and out.
When it comes to anti-inflammatory clean foods, think colorful fruits like berries and veggies like spinach. These foods are packed with antioxidants that help fight inflammation in the body. Incorporating them into your diet can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and boost overall health. So, next time you're at the grocery store, load up on these vibrant goodies for a happy, healthy body. When it comes to clean eating, meal planning is key. For breakfast, opt for overnight oats with fruits and nuts. Lunch can be a colorful salad with grilled chicken. And for dinner, try a quinoa stir-fry loaded with veggies. Remember, preparation is everything. Keep it simple, stay organized, and enjoy the benefits of nourishing your body with wholesome foods. I'm sharing essential cooking tips for crafting clean and healthy meals you'll adore. Whether you're a culinary pro or a beginner, get ready for practical advice and mouth-watering ideas to elevate your cooking game. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and be the first to cook up a healthier, happier you.